following the Marches and the Wildcats. We're gonna do a mukbang here on my nachos that I did a video earlier of me cooking the nachos. You guys can go watch that video if you haven't. And don't forget to give it a like. And give this video a like. If you haven't subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell, because it will notify you every time I upload a video. And yes, it's following Marshall and the Wildcats, and the kids is not with me because they're all at Wisconsin Dells. Like I told you guys before, I didn't go. I'm here. So, you guys are here with me. I got some people to talk to. Okay, guys, let's get started. And when I prepared this, I was telling you guys I'm eating extra flaming hot Doritos in my nachos. And I'm eating regular Doritos in my nachos. Let's just do a... Why they eat that one first, I don't know. I'm not a hot food eater, guys. I'm not crazy about hot food. My sister want me to do the hot wing challenge. I can't even eat hot Doritos, y'all. I can't eat a hot, extra flaming hot Dorito. Without keeping trying to choke. Oh. Woo. That's good, though. I gotta chase it with let another regular Dorito follow behind. I guess I can do it. Okay, here go another hot one. Okay. Okay. Couldn't even talk. That's a high road. Guys, give me a thumbs up for doing this. Ooh. I'm following the Marshall squad. I'm in gang. Let's do a story time or why I'm doing YouTube. Why did I decide to do YouTube? Good though. I don't want to drink my flavored water yet. I don't want to drink it. I still have some chocolate milk with chocolate milk in there. That's what I should have. Okay, guys. The reason I'm doing YouTube, I started YouTube. It was an outlet for me. I express myself, let the kids express themselves. I'm meeting new friends. You guys are my friends. You're my gang. Yes, you are. And everything I do it for you. I like the entertainment and the fun. You know, it's somewhere I can be myself. I ask God to bless me with positive friends and followers and subscribers who's going to enjoy me and my family for being ourselves. And not what people want us to be. We're following the Marshalls and the Wild Kids. And that's who they really are, and it's who we really are. And when you catch some foul language in my videos, that's who they really are. You know, if you didn't catch nothing in there, we're not being ourselves. With the younger adults, my kids. You know, not my grandkids, my kids. So, guys, my mouth is hot as my 2 fingers. And it feels funny on my belly. In my stomach. Not on my belly, but in my stomach. I don't have that many. I just had them laying on top of the regular Doritos. And I felt it was an outlet that I can express myself and record memories for my family. And my friends. I don't think I have so many family members following me. And they can see how I'm doing. Really, my relative that's out of town. They can see how Margaret's doing. And the grandkids. And the kids. All you have to do is tune in. Tune in. Alright. When I realized what YouTube was really for, because I listened to music and looking at videos, I was like, uh-oh. There I go. Girl, get that camera, go ahead. Because as a writer, an author, well, as some of you know, I'm author Margaret Marshall. As being an author, this is an expression outlet, you know? I can express myself in my video. I have to every day. I don't miss some days uploading. Yes, I have. And some days I put up 2 videos. But guys, that felt good. That's why I always say I appreciate you guys for tuning in, subscribing, and watching my videos. With all the hot, we can get them out of the way, so I'm not gonna worry about it. It's not what I want the last taste in my mouth. I want to eat them. Get them out of the way. But yes, guys, that's why I started a YouTube video page. I can express myself. And I feel like I want to put on some makeup, do my hair. I can do it. Get in front of the camera and do it and record myself doing it. Because still today, I want to learn how to put on eyelashes. I was looking for some at the Dollar Tree, at the dollar store, but I didn't see any at the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find no eyelashes. I'd rather go to another one. I've been to 2 already. Now I'm going to Walgreens. I'm buying some cheap ones. Because I'm just practicing in them, you know. Because I do want to, you know how to make up my face. Even though my makeup is only eyeliner. That's all. As you guys seen, I did try some Dollar Tree makeup to make my face up. It looked okay, but while I was doing it, whoa, hold it, sister. You need to put on a mask. But it came out okay. You don't know until you try putting on makeup if you can do it or not. I used to wear the powder foundation. I don't know. Right about my skin. Look good as it do. And I have oily skin too. I watch some of my videos. That forehead be shining. And the nose. Sometimes it won't. Depends on the lighting. Depends on the lighting of the video. Guys, I think I got the last one here. Please let it be the last one. Yes, it is. Woo! Can't wait to get the regular one. Because I like this so much. I like doing this so much. That's why I asked you guys to subscribe. And comment below on your video. Scroll down and comment. What would you like for me to talk about? What would you like for me to do? What would you like for me to try? I will. I never thought I would show myself doing my hair in front of the camera. But I asked myself one day, why do you always like do your hair And then gonna come. Let them see what's behind all that when you get ready to put these in. What you putting them on top of? Your hair. Your natural hair. So, I turned that camera on and recorded how to reuse crochets. How to install reuse crochets. Crochet braids, I mean. I did it. It felt so good. I was nervous. I thought I was going to be nervous. I said, why am I nervous? Of being myself. Or showing who I am. Who I really am. Because if you ever date me, or meet me as a best friend, eventually you're going to see the real me. I've grown to love who I am. I might not be satisfied to the weight gain, but if I'm that unhappy with my weight gain, I'm the only one can change it. Nobody words or whatever can't change it. Can't nobody change it but me. No one can define who I am. They can only assume, you know, just like doing reaction videos. You can only assume what the person you're reacting to video is about and give your opinions on them. I mean, hey, go ahead, comment below and give your opinion on my video. You know? It lets me know, because some, you know, criticism can help. They can notice things you might not notice about yourself. And you be like, what she said, I really do need to correct it. I maybe shouldn't have said that. I maybe shouldn't be talking like that. Who is me to judge? You know? It's not all bad. Well, you know, some people be right down cruel, but, you know. I'm like this. You know who you are. And you know what you're about. My hand itching. That's why I'm doing this. You can't see me, but right here. You know who you are. No matter what they think who you are and what they think about you. You know the truth, the real you. And if I think you're right, I come in, you're right. You dislike my video, that's your choice. I have nothing to say about it. You can even express yourself in the comments below. The reason you dislike, you gave it a thumbs down. Who wouldn't prefer a thumbs up, but I mean, hey. That's not reality. Everybody's not gonna like what you do. or say. And they have the right to their opinion. Keep pushing my plate. Fresh doing it. Stop. Can't help it. I like my mouth. Dollar Tree. I love me some Dollar Tree. You know what I can do with $20 at Dollar Tree? You know what I can do with $10 at Dollar Tree? You know what I can do with $5 at Dollar Tree? Okay? I'll go shopping for 5 new things they may have in the store that I can show you guys that you may like. My camera went off, guys. I had to turn it back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Nice talking to you guys. And thanks for joining me in my mukbang. And if you want me to do a Q&A, go over to my Instagram page. Following the Marshalls. All written together. Following the Marshalls. And DM me some questions, you know, for the Q&A. And follow me over there. I got a book I've written. You guys know I'm author Margarita. Sing along with me. And it's like, I would have thought my relatives would have bought the book for their little kids. But I sold more books to strangers than my own relatives. It cooled my mouth down. See, by me eating those first, eating the regular Doritos last, my mouth ain't as hot as it was when I was eating the hot, extra hot, flaming hot Doritos. Now I get this water and the ice in it. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. Who does that? Me, I guess. Why ask the question after you've done it? Yes, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, guys. But don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like the video, guys. And hit that subscribe button. Slide on over, click that notification bell. Get notified every time I upload a video. And go ahead and watch the other videos that I have posted here on YouTube on Following the Marshalls and the Wild Kids. And I also have my personal video. Like this right here would have been on Margaret Be Respectful channel. But, you know, put it here. And please share the video on your social media with your family, your friends. Share my videos. And don't forget to like the other videos. Join following the Marshall. Gang, gang, gang. Yes. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. And I'm out. Peace.